In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close and start a sprint in Jira. If you're managing projects in Jira, mastering sprints is crucial for maintaining a streamlined workflow. Let's dive right in and break down the process in a clear and approachable way. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the project you're working on. Simply click on your project in the left sidebar. This is your gateway to accessing all the information and tasks related to the project at hand. Next, head over to the backlog section. This is where all your tasks are organized, making it the perfect place to manage your sprints and track the project's progress. Once you're in the backlog, look for the active sprint. This is the sprint that you're currently working on, containing all the tasks you're aiming to complete within the sprint's timeline. When you find the active sprint, you'll see an option to complete sprint. Click on it and Jira will prompt you with a decision regarding any unfinished tasks. It will ask whether you'd like to move these tasks to a new sprint or send them back to the backlog. For this video, we will focus on moving them to an existing sprint. This option helps in maintaining a seamless transition of tasks, keeping the workflow efficient. After you've decided how to handle the incomplete tasks, click Complete Sprint to finalize the current sprint. It's a straightforward step, but crucial in closing out the sprint officially. Now, while still in the backlog view, locate the sprint where you've moved the issues from your completed sprint. This step ensures no tasks are left behind as you transition into planning for the next phase of your project. Next, click Start Sprint. This action initiates the setup for your new sprint. Here you'll be prompted to fill in the sprint details, which include naming the sprint and setting its duration. You'll also need to determine the start and end dates for the sprint, typically ranging between 1 to 4 weeks depending on the scope and size of your project. Additionally, it's important to set a sprint goal. This is a brief objective that outlines what you aim to achieve during this sprint, providing clarity and focus for your team. Once you've entered all the necessary information, simply click Start to kick off the new sprint. This step formally begins the sprint, allowing your team to start working on the assigned tasks according to the outlined objectives and timeline. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll efficiently close an existing sprint and start a new one in Jira, keeping your projects on track and your team organized. Thank you for watching, and happy sprinting.